Hello engineers! In this tutorial we will learn about 4 constraint tools. These are parallel, perpendicular, horizontal and vertical. So as you can see, I've drawn some basic geometries to demonstrate these tools. First of all, let's select the parallel constraint, which is just here. And then we'll start with the 25mm line, and then we'll select a line for it to be parallel to. So we'll choose this horizontal line here. As we can see by the symbol, these two lines are constrained parallel. We can move this line anywhere we like in the graphics window. Notice it will remain parallel to this horizontal line. Let's do that with the remaining two lines. So we'll select the 15mm line, this line here, the 35mm line, and this line here. As we can see, all of these lines are now constrained parallel to their according line. Next, we have the perpendicular constraint, which is this tool just here. So let's select that. And then to demonstrate this, we'll choose the 25mm line, this horizontal line here. As we can see, this line is now perpendicular to the horizontal line. There is a 90-degree angle between the two, and we can see here the perpendicular constraint. So let's use the same tool for the 15mm line and our angled line here, and then our 35mm line and our horizontal line just here. As we can see, all of these lines are perpendicular to their according constraint lines. Next, we have the horizontal constraint. This is positioned just here, very easy to use. So let's select that, and then we will select the line which we wish to be horizontal. So if we click our 25mm line, it becomes horizontal, and we can see the horizontal constraint symbol just shown here below the dimension. We can do the same with the 15mm line and also the 35mm line. We can move these lines anywhere, however, they will always remain horizontal. Another way we can use the horizontal constraint, I'll draw another line to demonstrate this. If we want the endpoint of this line here to be horizontal with the endpoint of this line here, we can do that using the horizontal constraint. So I'll select the two endpoints. Now they have the horizontal constraint. We are able to move this line from side to side. We're able to change its angle. However, notice that this endpoint will always remain horizontal to the endpoint of the other line. And then last but not least, we have the vertical constraint. So that's just here. Let's select that. Exactly the same as the horizontal constraint. So we can select the lines we wish to be vertical, like so. We can move these around. They will remain vertical. We cannot change their angle. And again, if we draw another line in here, and we use the vertical constraint about the endpoint of this line and this point here, you can see that we can move the line up and down, but not side to side. We can change its angle, and these 2 points will remain vertically constrained. And that concludes the parallel, perpendicular, horizontal, and vertical constraints. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments section, and I will reply as soon as I can. I will see you in the next tutorial.